Hi everyone, welcome to a brand new month here on Patreon. This month's theme is Hoppy Handmade, and in this video I'm going to walk you through everything you'll receive in April and what you can look forward to this month. Starting on April 2nd, I'll be posting your exclusive discount codes for my Etsy shop. The Stitch Squad will receive 10% off, and the Yarn Squad will receive 20% off. These discounts apply to everything in my Etsy shop. On April 5th, the Yarn Squad members will receive this month's Hoppy Handmade Crochet Maker Bundle, and I'll walk you through everything included. So each month you will either receive a Crochet Maker Bundle or a large featured pattern. And this month's bundle is all about fun, playful, and giftable Easter creations. So you're going to get a large flat Easter bunny, a large flat Easter egg, a small Easter egg pattern, a small Easter bunny pattern, and a large Easter flower pattern. So those are going to be your main patterns. And for the featured pattern, you will also get an Easter bunny gift candy holder. So as you can see, it has an opening so like you fit the candy inside. And this is what it looks like with the candy inside. You will also get a maker idea sheet with this bundle. And that maker idea sheet is to give you ideas for decorating your bunnies, your eggs, turning them into home decor, using them as gifts, selling them at craft fairs, and other fun creative ideas. So one of the ideas that will be on the sheet is how to turn the small bunny, how to decorate the bunnies. So this is my girl bunny, and on the back I decorated as a boy. And this is a keychain, so you can either do it as a keychain, and I'm just going to give you all sorts of ideas on the idea maker sheet. So here's a couple more to see what they look like. This is a small bunny. Now I also give you ideas on how to decorate the eggs as well, the large Easter eggs and the small Easter eggs. This one I'm still working on. And I have a lot of different Easter bunnies in different colors. I will leave links on how to get the bows, on how to decorate the bunnies. So if you want to make a girl bunny, you can put the bow on the bunny's ear. Now if you want to make it a boy bunny, I do not have my bow ties in yet, my large bow ties, but you can get a large bow tie and stick it on the large bunny to make it a boy bunny. Now as soon as I get those large bows in, I will show you what it looks like with the larger bow. And I will leave links to where I get all of my bows, where I get all of the candy. Okay, so another thing that's included in this bundle are 2 digital downloads. The first digital download looks like this. And these are just gift tags. These are Easter gift tags. So if you're interested in giving these Easter bunnies away as gifts, selling them at craft fairs, you could do that. And this is what it looks like with the gift tag on the bunny. So the second set of printables will come with a set of instructions. And these are called my Easter Applique quote cards. So this will give you the instructions on how to print them and the best way to print them. And this will give you some ideas on how to use the quote cards. Okay, so the quote cards look like this. And they have all sorts of different quotes on them. Some are for bunnies, some are for the eggs. So this one's Some Bunny Loves You. I have Spring is in the Air. Handmade with Bunny Love. And then you can take your little bunnies, grab a sticky glue dot, and stick them on to the quote card. And the nice thing about the sticky dots is that they won't fall off, but you can rip them off easily without hurting the bunny. And then I have one for the egg. Okay, so the other things that you will receive are a link with the exact candies and gifts that I put in the Easter Bunny candy holder. And I will also include a tutorial on how to stiffen the ears of your bunny. Because just so you know, when you first make the bunnies, their ears don't flatten out very nicely. So they kind of look like this. That's where they're just not very flat. And so I will give you a tutorial on how to make the ears flat, like this. And just so you know, last Easter, I had also made some medium bunnies and some medium eggs, some medium Easter flowers, and some carrots. So on my Patreon, you can also go and find that pattern as well. And I will show you how to turn this into a garland and how to do some other fun things with this. So this is on my Patreon as well for last Easter. So you'll be getting the new Easter this April and Easter April 2025. So again, my Hoppy Handmade bundle will be posted on the 5th of April. And also on April 5th, all tiers, including my free tier, will receive a surprise freebie. Now this can be a small pattern, a printable, a crochet themed sticker sheet, or just something a little different. Now in the middle of the month, all tiers will be invited to join in on my Crochet Circle, and this is just a fun, welcoming space where you can answer monthly crochet questions, share what you're working on, and connect and say hello. And this is just a great way for us to get to know each other and build a crochet community. Toward the end of the month, I'll be sharing a special post for all tiers, and this may include a reflection post, behind the scenes post, a podcast style update, or just a get to know me post. And I basically do this just so that you can get to know me a little bit better. Now before I go, I just want to say that I truly appreciate each and every one of you for being here and supporting what I do. And I'm so excited to share all of these projects on my Patreon and all of my ideas with you this month. I can't wait to see what you create.